Today I am painting this textured ceiling. When you paint textured ceilings, you'll have to go over it a little bit more than you would on a flat ceiling. I much prefer painting flat ceilings, but this is what it is. So you're just going to be able to see me how I paint, the technique I use. Now before I rolled here, I actually already went in and painted around all the edges and around the ceiling fan that's in the middle of the room. So I did that previously to this video. I like to do all the cutting in first and then roll everything and then be done at that point. Now on this room, we're painting the ceiling, the walls, the trim, we're painting everything. So when I paint a ceiling and I know I'm going to paint the walls afterwards, I always paint down onto the wall about an inch or so. That way when I come and paint the wall later, I can cut in a nice straight line in the corner, the very corner where the ceiling meets the wall. It'll be coated in the white ceiling paint, and it basically makes the corner somewhat disappear, and your straight cut-in line from the wall is what you see, and it just looks a lot more crisp, and it's much more appealing. That's the technique that I use. Now you can see sort of like a before and after. You see where it's white there on the right and in front of you there, and then it turns into that yellowish color there. Again, this is another like half and half where you see the nice clean white and the nasty yellow. And then this is a really good picture here of seeing the difference between the white ceiling paint and the old nasty kind of faded old ceiling. So you'll get to see the finishing paint job here, and you can tell how much of a difference it is, and it just looks so much better after being painted. And just like that, the ceiling's painted. I thank you for watching my video. Please like it, subscribe to my channel, and look for more videos. Thank you.